I feel very hungry.
You look hungry. Would you like some broccoli?
No way.
Why? Vegetables are really good. What would you eat?
I don't like vegetables. I want chicken.
Then chicken and broccoli.
No, just chicken. I don't want vegetables.
But vegetables are very important. You need to eat vegetables to stay healthy.
Mom says the same thing every day. Every day. I really wish vegetables and plants never existed.
Oh, my. But you do know that if plants don't exist, then we will end up not having chicken as well, nor meat.
I can still get meat at the butcher's.
Really? Will there be any chicken or meat to buy if there aren't plants? That's the question.
Why not?
Let's talk about this in our next episode. I can see you have a project to research for.
It's about the importance of plants.
And do you know why plants are important? I can help you. First, let us start with us, human beings. What do we need plants for?
To eat, we eat vegetables and fruits, and these come from plants.
Exactly. Who else eats plants?
Animals do. Rabbits, cows, deer.
They do. They surely need plants. But wait, does a tiger need plants too? Does it eat plants?
It doesn't. It eats the deer instead.
So even the tiger needs plants.
Why? It eats deer.
Well, the deer would not be alive if plants weren't there. So some animals eat plants, while others don't. They eat other animals that feed on plants. Have a look at this field. What living things do you see? Green grass, deer, tiger? What happens if the grass disappears?
The tiger doesn't need grass. It will survive. It will stay alive.
What about the deer?
The deer can't eat anymore, and if they can't eat, they will die.
True. Not only deer, but other animals that feed on plants too.
Like cows.
Sheep, goats, cows.
The tiger can survive. It doesn't need plants.
Are you sure? If the deer, the sheep, and the cows disappeared, what would the tiger eat?
There would be nothing left for us too.
Exactly. We need plants and animals too in all of our food.
We eat animals too, like the chicken.
You are right. We don't only need the chicken for its meat, but also for the eggs it lays. But if plants disappear, then chicken will as well. What do chickens eat?
Grains, plants.
Can you imagine how life would be without plants? There would be indeed no life.
Then we'd better go and plant as many plants as we can.
We should. But we can't do this alone. We need the help of insects too.
What? How would insects help in planting?
Look at this field. Do you think you can plant all of these flowers?
Impossible. But what would insects do?
Have you ever seen how bees work to collect honey? They move from one flower to another. While moving, there are little tiny parts from the flower called pollen that stick to their legs and body parts and move with them to other flowers.
Why is pollen important?
It is. Some flowers have pollen, but others don't, and they need it to grow new flowers.
So insects help us make flowers, but we don't eat flowers.
That's right. We don't eat flowers, but flowers turn into fruits. Have you seen fruit trees making flowers during the spring and then turning them into fruits in the summer? That's because the bees moved pollen from some flowers to others so that they can make fruits. Wind helps too. It just carries the pollen from one flower to another.
So fruits come from flowers on the tree. But how are trees made?
Well, fruits have seeds, Remember the seeds you throw away when you eat fruits? If you plant them, you will grow trees. And there are animals that help transport these seeds also from one place to another.
Then maybe I should throw the seeds in my garden to grow new trees.
Well, thank you. You are planting more trees and plants. Make sure you give them water and good soil. You too. You can start planting. See you later. Bye for now.
Bye.
لمشاهدة المزيد من الحلقات زوروا سات7 بلس.